Natural particle detail can instantly make flat designs feel alive and tactile. Today, how to create realistic particle speckles. Open Photoshop and create a new document sized 2000 by 2000 pixels with a dark gray background so the particles stand out clearly. Add a new layer, fill it with black, then go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, and set amount to about 70% with Gaussian and monochromatic selected. Press Ctrl-L to open Levels and drag the white slider left until only small, bright particles remain. Change the blend mode to Screen so the black disappears and only the speckles show. Reduce